Today is a Monday, August 21, 2023. Storm Hilary wreaks havoc, flooding and strong winds ravage California. A forceful weather system unleashes chaos on California, prompting flood warnings. A formidable meteorological phenomenon is sweeping across the western United States, with dire consequences for the region. Approximately 16 million individuals from Southern California to Idaho are under flood watch as this potent storm takes hold. Transforming into a post-tropical cyclone, this tempest's relentless and unprecedented deluge has the potential to engender life-threatening and catastrophic flooding, as asserted by the National Hurricane Center. Amidst the turmoil, schools remain closed, flights have been grounded, and evacuation mandates are in effect for certain communities. The ferocious winds will persist across various parts of the western U.S. on Monday. The storm, named Hilary, is presently situated some 390 miles north of San Diego, racing northwards through central Nevada at a breakneck speed of 29 miles per hour. CNN is actively tracing the storm's trajectory over the United States. Adding an unexpected twist to an already uncommon summer storm in Southern California, a magnitude 5.1 earthquake struck the area on Sunday. Post-tropical cyclone Hilary's future unveiled. Although Hilary has transitioned into a post-tropical cyclone, its impact remains formidable. The storm will continue to unleash torrents of heavy rain and gusty winds across a significant expanse of the western United States on Monday. A post-tropical cyclone denotes a weather system that has shed most of its tropical attributes but still retains the capacity to yield substantial precipitation and wind patterns. The hallmark signs of tropical status, a well-defined center and an organized circulation of surface winds, are no longer discernible in Hilary. The epicenter of the most intense rainfall associated with Hilary is projected to shift northwards on Monday. Parts of Oregon, Idaho, and Montana could experience rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches, potentially leading to severe flooding issues. Moreover, hard-hit regions of California and Nevada might witness an additional inch of rainfall. The blustery winds stemming from Hilary will make their presence felt in Nevada, Idaho, Utah, and Montana, with sustained wind speeds ranging between 25 to 35 miles per hour and gusts exceeding this threshold. Such potent winds hold the potential to cause damage to trees and power lines. Hilary is anticipated to fully dissipate by the end of Monday, but its residual moisture will contribute to elevated rainfall levels across the northern United States until at least midweek. Beyond Hilary, a surge in tropical activity in the Atlantic. Hilary is one of many systems demanding attention. The Atlantic Ocean has been a hotbed of tropical activity, bursting into life over the weekend. The basin is currently home to 3 tropical storms: Emily, Franklin, and Gert, each churning with intensity. Another tropical system could form in the Gulf of Mexico and set its sights on Texas early in the upcoming week. The nascent Texas system, originating as a cluster of developing showers and thunderstorms in the central Gulf of Mexico on Monday, is projected to consolidate its structure by Tuesday, potentially evolving into a tropical depression or storm near the Texas coastline. Irrespective of its tropical status, copious amounts of rain and the potential for flooding are poised to impact portions of Texas and northern Mexico from late Monday through Tuesday. Meanwhile, Franklin, situated in the Caribbean Sea, is poised to deliver powerful winds and inundating rainfall to Hispaniola and Puerto Rico on Tuesday and Wednesday. In contrast, Emily and Gert are traversing the open waters of the Atlantic, posing no threat to land. Thanks for watching.